In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently optimize your emails using Mailchimp. We'll walk through a few straightforward steps that can enhance the engagement of your content and help you make the most out of your email campaigns. So let's dive right in. The very first thing we need to do is open up your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Look around to familiarize yourself if you haven't used it in a while. It's always good to get a bit acquainted with the layout before diving into specific tasks. Once you're settled, head over to the Campaigns tab on your dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your email campaigns, including drafts and sent emails. You should see a list of past campaigns here. Find the email that you'd like to work on. Maybe it's one that had a lower engagement rate than you hoped, or perhaps it's a new draft you're still fine-tuning. When you click to edit this email, you'll land on a page where you can make several alterations. Now, for those not already familiar with this feature, let me introduce you to Mailchimp's Optimize tool. This nifty feature is designed to help augment the effectiveness of your emails, ensuring you get the best possible interaction from your audience. So, as you edit your email, navigate to the area labeled Optimize. Once there, you'll spot a simple toggle switch with the label Error. By activating this switch, Mailchimp will automatically begin its optimization process. While it might sound a bit technical, what this actually does is supercharge your email's capacity to engage with your audience. It combs through your content to identify potential pitfalls or areas for enhancement and helps you rectify them to make your message clearer, more captivating, and ultimately more effective. As you make adjustments, remember that these tools are aids designed to support your instincts, not replacements. Your voice is key to connecting with your audience, and these enhancements are just ways to make sure it's heard loud and clear. And with that, you're already done. You've successfully edited and optimized your email using Mailchimp. This process is quick, yet highly effective in ensuring your campaigns are as engaging as possible. Don't forget to periodically check the outcomes of these optimizations through Mailchimp's analytics to see how your engagement improves over time. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and feel a bit more empowered to use Mailchimp's tools to elevate your email marketing strategies. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to ask in the comments below. Until next time, happy emailing.